Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to apply the chroma key and mask with the background picture in the Capcut application. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Come to the laptop and open the Capcut application and then click on the create project button. And then click on the import button and scroll down and import the one video as well as background picture. Import it and click on the open button. You can see here, this is the background picture and this is the video. So drag and drop the background picture and you can see here, and then drag and drop the video. So the video should be upper the background picture. You can see here, to minimize the timeline video, click on the minus. To maximize the timeline video, click on the plus button. And now to expand the background picture, you can see here, and I want to delete the unimportant section of the video. Move the timeline where you want to delete a section, select it and then click on the split option and then click on the unimportant video and then click on the delete button. And I want to delete the mid section of the video. Move the timeline and then click on the split option and move the timeline again and then click on the split option and then click on the mid section and then click on the delete option. You can see here, I want to delete the lost portion of the video. Move the timeline and then click on the split option and select the lost section and then click on the delete. Move the video toward the starting point and second section to connect the second section with the first section. You can see here, I connect two sections. Now to squeeze the background picture, click on it and squeeze the background picture. You can see here, both sides are equal. You can see. Now you want to combine these two sections into one section. Select two sections and then right click on the video and then select the create compound clip. Click on it. You can see here, I create one video from the two video. Remove the background. Click on the background option and then click on the chroma key option. Click on the background. You can see here, the color picker pick the color automatically. Now to adjust and to remove the edge noise, to increase the intensity, the edge will clear. You can see here that now for the more clearance, to increase the future edge, you can see here, it will clear more and more. You can see here. I want to combine these two picture and video into the one video. Select both the background picture and video and then right click on the video and then select create compound clip. You can see here, I create one video from the background picture and a video. You can see here. Now I want to import a video. Click on the import button and scroll down and select the video. You can see here, I want to select one video. Click on it and then click on the open button. Now drag and drop the above video on the timeline. So the foreground video should be up and move it up. You can see here, because the foreground video is smaller than the background video, to squeeze the background video, you can see here how to squeeze it. I squeeze the background video, both sides are equal. You can see here. Now I want to apply the mask on the foreground video. Click on the mask option, click on the video and click on the mask option, then click on the add mask. you can see here I want to add the rectangle mask, and you can expand and you can expand the width and height easily. You can see here easily you can change the width and height of your mask. So I want to round up the edge and vertices. How to round up the vertices? To up and down the above arrow, you can see here, if you up and down the arrow, the round up will increase and decrease. Then click on the basic option to minimize your mask, to minimize your mask size. You can see here I fix it 30, and you can move the mask from one place to another place, and you can fix where you want. And now how to apply the animation on the mask? Click on the animation and click on the N. Two animation here, in and out animation. I want to apply this one animation on the mask. Click on it, it will download first. You can see here, depend upon your internet speed. This is the duration of the animation. I want to increase
In the future,
up to 3 seconds. You can easily increase the duration of the animation easily. Now click on the export button and write the name of your project, and then you can change the resolution, you can change the bit rate, you can change the codec format, and you can change the frame rate easily, and then click on the export button. The export will start it, and then finally
About
click on the
the
cancel
usage
button.
of-
For the checking, click open the folder where you download your project. Click on it. So you can see here, this is my project. Open the project, and you can see here, this is my project.
In the future, I will make two frames.
So in short, in this video, I have explained how to apply the chroma key and mask on the background picture. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.